Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can remove a domain from your Shopify store. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in my Shopify dashboard, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of these sections. Here you're going to find the home section, orders, products. Right here you're going to find customers, content, analytics, and marketing and discounts. Here under sales channels, you're going to find online store and also point of sale. And here you're going to find apps and lastly settings. So basically guys, right now, what you need to do is go to settings. And then once you're here in the settings, you're going to find all of the different settings of your Shopify store. Here you're going to find all of these sections. Right here, you're going to find general, plan, buy link, users and permissions, payments, checkout, and so on. In this list, search for domains. Give it a click, and after that, you're going to be right here. So once here, as you can see, guys, under domains, you're going to find the option to buy or connect a domain, and then here you're going to find your domain. So basically, guys, if you want to remove your current domain, all you need to do, guys, is click on change to a new .myshopify.com domain, and then you're going to be able to remove your current one. If you want to connect an existing domain, just click on connect existing domain, add your domain right here, and then click on next. Then you're going to be able to add it. Or if you want to buy a new domain, click on buy here, search for the domain if it's available. Then you're going to find the option to add it. Or here you're going to find some similar domains. Just click on buy, and then you're going to be able to get it. So this is it guys for today's video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.